I always thought freeze-drying was a modern invention, but I couldn't have been more wrong. High in the Andes, where temperatures swing wildly between freezing nights and scorching days, the Inca civilization stumbled upon something revolutionary. They figured out how to preserve their staple crop, potatoes, for years without fancy equipment. It's a process that's both simple and mind-blowing. Picture this: nighttime in the Andes, over 12,000 feet up. The air is so cold it freezes potatoes solid in a matter of hours. But when the sun rises, it beats down with incredible intensity. That's when the magic happens. The frozen water inside the potatoes turns directly into vapor. Scientists call this sublimation. After a few days of this freeze-thaw cycle, you're left with a wrinkly, lightweight, preserved potato. The Inca called it chuño, and it could last up to a decade. So why is this ancient potato drying technique such a big deal? For starters, chuño retained most of its nutrients, unlike other preservation methods of the time. It was incredibly lightweight and portable, perfect for Inca armies marching across the empire or traders navigating treacherous mountain passes. But perhaps most importantly, it provided crucial food security. When droughts hit or wars disrupted food supplies, chuño could mean the difference between survival and starvation. And get this, the Inca weren't alone. Tibetan nomads developed a similar technique for preserving yak milk, while Arctic cultures used freezing winds to dry fish and meat. Fast forward to today, and that billion-dollar freeze-drying industry? From instant coffee to astronaut food, it all traces back to these ancient innovations.